Hello friends, I am DrSureshKPandey, Director of SuVi Eye Hospital and LASIK Laser Center in Kota, Rajasthan. Together with me is Dr. Nipun Bagrecha, who is Fellowship in charge of SuVi Eye Hospital and LASIK Laser Center in Kota, Rajasthan. We welcome you all during the All India Ophthalmological Society Conference at JECC Jaipur. I would like to congratulate Dr. Nipun Bagrecha for successfully training more than 25 medical retina fellows from all over India, and I would like to request Dr. Nipun Bagrecha to share his insight and to share the details of the fellowship programs held at SuVi Eye Hospital in Kota, Rajasthan. Dr. Nipun.
Thank you, sir. Friends, here at AIOC Pavilion at AIOC 2026 Jaipur at AIOC Fellowship Carnival, we are delighted to announce that at SuVi Eye Institute Kota, we have short-term fellowship program in Medical Retina and Uvea, in which the candidate gets ample hands-on training in intravitreal injection and all types of retinal lasers such as PRP, barrage as well as focal lasers through slit lamp delivery systems as well as on laser indirect ophthalmoscopy. Not only that, we have academic case discussions, journal clubs and B-scan as well as OCT interpretation classes as well. Also, we have short-term training program in refractive surgery, in which candidates get ample hands-on in PRK, PTK, Trans-PRK and PTK procedures, and also an interpretation of diagnostic equipments such as pentacam. So friends, welcome to the AIOC Pavilion at Fellowship Carnival, and we look forward to having you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Nipun, for inspiring and for teaching the young ophthalmologists. Let us follow the ancient wisdom: see one, do one, and teach one. Thank you very much. We all welcome you to join us for the fellowship program in Medical Retina and in the Refractive Surgery. Thank you.
Thank you.